Hello, I'm Melissa from Luxlet Property Group. Today I'll be showing you a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment at the Walford Estate. Come with me so I can show you this amazing property. As you come through into the kitchen, you'll see this is a modern kitchen. It's got ample cupboard spaces. It's got a built-in fridge. It's also got a space for a washing machine. It's also got space for a dishwasher. It's very sleek, very modern as well. And as you can see, this is a Caesar stone countertop, so which gives it a very modern look as well. As you come in here, you will see that on the side there's space for a dining area. The dining area is very big actually. And as you come towards this side, you'll see that the living area is also very spacious, very, very big. Allows for you to entertain a lot of guests. And come with me outside. As you come outside, you will see that there is a sink, which is very convenient, especially when you're having visitors and you also want to be outside. And right here, there's also a Pilton pry. And this is the area for the outside area, the outside patio. So this area has, this apartment actually has so much lighting in it, which is so convenient. There's also storage right here, extra storage on the passage, which is convenient as well. And come with me to the bathroom. As you come in, you will see that there's also cupboard spaces. This is for the visitors, and there's a restroom. So much space. You will never run out of space in this property. So this one, they use it as a kiddie's bedroom. But as you can see, it's also got a lot of cupboard space. So they fitted a single bed in here. But in this particular bedroom, you can actually fit a double and as well as a queen bed. So come with me to the other bedroom. As you can see, this is very sleek, very modern. This is the main bedroom. So much lighting coming through from the outside. And well, with Galencia properties, this is so modern. A lot of cupboard space, as you can see. And come with me to the bathroom for the main bedroom. So it's got a freestanding bathtub as well as a toilet. It's also got a shower, and it's also got a sink, and also has a lot of cupboard space. And now this is the second bedroom. Also got space for a queen bed, or should you even want to have a king bed in this bedroom, you can also have a king bed. That's how big the space is. And it's also got a lot of ample cupboard space. So this is the apartment for you if you're looking for a lot of space. Thank you so much for watching. Just to recap, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment that's on the first floor at the Walford Estate. There's so many amenities around this area, just next to Carlswold as well. So this is the property that you should be looking at if you're interested. Thank you so much.